but I'm basically orange. I feel like this is going to be so messy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to go over with you how to fix a very bad fake tan, which, as a lot of you will know, I'm actually going on holiday very soon. And me and my mum fake tanned the other day, well it was last night actually. We fake tanned and we forgot to wash our hands afterwards. I did not think, and this happened. So you can't see it that well on camera right now,
but I'm basically orange.
I have to look like on the sides of my hands. That is what I look like right now. The rest of my body's okay, like my legs are not too bad. My knees are a little bit orange, but it's mainly my hands because we've got to wash them. So if you want to see how I'm going to get this off, then make sure you stick around. I've got two methods. I'm going to use this bicarbonate of soda and just some normal drinking water. This is a ½ tablespoon measurement. I'm going to take two of these and put it in a small blue bowl that I've got here. After I've done that, I'm going to get a small amount of water. It's not really an exact science with this, you just kind of pour some in and see how it goes. You're just trying to make like a paste, so just pour some in. So you can see, that is what inside looks like, and I'm just going to try like mix it together. As I said, making like kind of paste. So I now have my bicarbonate of soda with water, the right consistency and how I would like it. And I've got some blue tissue here because I feel like this is going to be very messy. And all you really need to do is to rub it into your hands. So I'm grabbing like a kind of, not a handful, but some. And just kind of rubbing it into your hands. I've done quite a lot because I'm going to need some more again soon. But depends how umpa-lumpified you are. That is making a difference already. That's actually making a difference. Getting more blue roll on the go. So I'm going to get a little bit more, rubbing that on my hands. To be honest, the tops aren't that bad, it's more between my fingers and the bottoms. Ooh, just rubbed it into a cup. So this is what my hands look like after the first go with bicarbonate soda. They are actually looking better already. I know they're still orange, but they're looking better. So I'm just going to take some blue roll and just wipe that off. Wipe the excess off anyway. Because we're then going to go in with the second method. Another way would be to go into a hot bath, soak for a while, and then having like a hot shower straight afterwards and exfoliating. I would recommend that, but right now I don't have time for that. I don't have time to be having like forever baths. I just want to get it done. So my next method that I'm doing, because I like to mix it up and do more than one method because I feel like it gets it off easier and quicker, is grabbing sugar and just sticking it on my hands, rubbing it between them, and then getting lemon juice. Yummy. And putting that also on my hands with the sugar. So it's the sugar and lemon juice reacting together, which will hopefully aid in getting this off. It actually smells quite nice. I thought I was going to hate the smell. I thought it was going to be horrible. I'm trying to like smile through it on video, but it's not too bad. So rubbing that all in. I'm just going to get another piece of towel roll to protect my legs with because it's soaking through onto my jeans. I know that you could just buy fake tan remover, but this is kind of an easy at-home method of doing it, so you're not having to pay however much, you know, to get remover as well. Or when it's unexpected and you haven't actually bought a remover, which is me all the time. So I'm just doing that again with the sugar and lemon juice, rubbing it between my hands. Again, got a bobble on my wrist. I love that. Every single video and every single time you'll see me, I will have a bobble on my wrist. I think it's just a girl thing. We always do. Well, I do. Literally always. I sleep with them around my wrist as well. I wake up, Mum always gets really annoyed. She's like, you're going to cut the circulation off in your hands. So I'm just rubbing these together. As you can see now, it is actually coming off. It is working. It is doing the trick. It's taking its time. It's doing it gradually, but it is working and coming off. So I'm now going to repeat those again. So I'm going to put some more lemon juice and sugar on, rub it together a couple more times. Then go back to the bicarbonate of soda. Repeat these a few more times and then I'll come back to you guys.
Am I doing it again?
We need to look at having a more simplistic capability and having
Thank you so much for watching this video. I've enjoyed this so much, even though it's been quite challenging and such a task. But make sure that you do like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to check out all my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys. Oh my god, it looks so orange. So close to the camera, it looks so orange.